Hey there all craft beer lovers. Very much welcome to yet another beer review. For this time around guys, we are returning to Fjäderholmarnas Bryggeri out of Stockholm. There we go, we're taking a look at their West Coast IPA, clocking at 6.5%, 330ml can. And there's that artwork. Pretty nice looking. Plain can there. As they say, West Coast IPA, ingredients, water, malted barley, wheat, malts, hops, and yeast, and that's it. So that's what they say, guys. And there you go. There's a look at the artwork. Yeah, there we go. So let's give it a pop, see what we get. Yes, I mean, this brewery, guys, it's an old brewery. Old craft brewery, I should say. Out of Stockholm in Sweden. I don't really do a lot of their beers, unfortunately, because they are doing a lot of good beers. They have done a lot of really good stouts, and I do have a couple of them in the old cupboard. But I haven't reviewed them yet. So yeah, all right, guys. Okay, so this beer is out. So that's what we have. Right, Fjäderholmarnas Bryggeri and out of Stockholm, and this is their West Coast IPA. We got a 3 fingers worth of a nice whitehead. Got a lovely looking West Coast style color to that beer. You can hear the carbonation. Let's get on to the nose then. Okay. Oh, it smells like a West Coast. It's very hoppy on the nose. Oh, floral, sweet, sponge cakey. Right. Okay. So I guess we will just have to dive in and see what this one brings to the table. Cheers, everybody. Oh. Okay, this is a very clean West Coast style, I would say, right off the bat. Clean, easy drinking. Definitely got that back end bitterness there, alongside a lovely West Coast style IPA. Definitely got that big, bitter aftertaste to it. Very character filled. Again. Yeah. Very nice. Definitely West Coast. Very bitter. Fruity. Bitter. A lot of bitterness, a lot of fruitiness there, but I mean, it's a classical West style. So, with that said, guys, Fjäderholmarnas Bryggeri, as you can see there, out of Stockholm. This is their West Coast IPA, 6.5%, 330ml can. I mean, it's a good West style IPA. Not really much more to say about it, actually, to be fair. I mean, yeah, it gives you what you want. If you like West Coast beer, it will give you that bitterness, that fruitiness, that floral hoppiness. For me, I'm going to give it a 3.5 out of 5. Thank you for watching.